The way we say and notate fractions matter. Many students have not developed the understanding that a fraction is a quantity that extends the number system. Rather, they have misunderstandings that are rooted in an inappropriate whole number reasoning. That is, they may think and treat the numerator and denominator as separate whole numbers that just happen to be stacked on top of one another. This explains the misconception 2/3 plus 2/3 equals 4/6. One way we can help combat this is to be intentional in how we write and label our fractions and the language we use when we talk about fractions. Let's call 7/8 7/8, not 7 out of 8, not even 7/8. We want students to see the relationship between whole numbers and fractions and not overgeneralize the part-whole relationship. For example, 3/4 is often represented and explained with part-whole relationship language and sometimes even misrepresented. Instead, let's call and write 3/4 as 3/1/4. Let's label each part of an area model as 1/4 and put 3/4 on a number line with an additional notation that shows that it is also 3/1/4. Be sure you are using a variety of visual models, area models, fraction models, and in 4th grade on, set models. Remember, this is about you simply incorporating these notations and verbiage into your teaching. These don't need to be a separate special lesson.